Hello, children. How are you all? We hope that you are all safe and fine at home. Today, in the Maths class, we are going to see Chapter 1, Review 2. This is the continuation of the Review 1. You can follow the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to see the topics comparing numbers, order of the numbers, even and odd numbers, and ordinal numbers. These are all the topics we are going to recall. First, we are going to compare the numbers. In the previous videos and all, we saw how to compare the numbers with the help of sign. We used sign to compare the numbers. We used equal to sign. It is said to be equal to. Next one is greater than sign. This is the greater than symbol. Keep it in mind. And less than sign. This is the less than sign. Okay, children? It will be in the English alphabet L. You can remember we saw with the crocodile, we compared the objects. The bigger one, it will catch the bigger object. And the same way, it will catch the bigger object. It will turn this side and that side. With a different number of digits, we are going to compare the numbers. Here you can see 78 and 143. These two numbers we can compare. Here you can see 78 is a 2-digit number and 143 is a 3-digit number. Automatically the bigger number gets the sign 143. With the tens place, we are going to compare the numbers 178 and 108. Here we can see the tens place because we got hundreds place the same number. So we are going to the tens place 7 and 0. Which is the bigger will get the symbol. Yes, 178 gets the crocodile mouth open. Next 135 and 167. Compare the tens place 3 and 6. Which is the bigger number? Yes, 167 will get the crocodile mouth open. Next we are going to compare the number with the ones place. Here you can get 123, 129. You can see in the tens place we got two same numbers. So we are jumping to the ones place 3 and 9. Now compare which is the bigger number 3 or 9. Yes, 9. So the crocodile mouth opened towards 129. We are going to the next topic, order of numbers. In the order of numbers, we got descending order. That means arranging the numbers in descending order from the bigger number to the smaller number. It is also said to be the decreasing order. Here you got 3-digit numbers. From the bigger number to smaller number, we are going to arrange it. Look at the tens place 6, 5 and 8. So we are writing the bigger number 8, 187 in the first and 168 and 154 in the last step. So this is the descending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers in increasing order from the smaller number to the bigger number. Here the same numbers you can see we are going to arrange the numbers in ascending order from the smaller one to the bigger one. Here you can see the tens place. Pick the first smaller number and arrange it. 154, 168 and 187. This is the ascending order. We arrange the numbers in increasing order. Next we are going to see an even number and odd number. What is an even number? An even number can be grouped by 2. An even number can be grouped by 2. An odd number cannot be evenly grouped by 2. An odd number cannot be evenly grouped by 2. In the last videos, we saw that I show you a TLM for finding out even and odd numbers. You can make use of this also. So the even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Keep it in mind, children. And the odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here are some numbers given. You can see here 82. See, in the ones place we got 2. It ends in an 2. So it is an even number. Next number 97. We got 7. It ends in 7. So it is an odd number. Next we got 44. Here 4. The number ends in 4. So it is an even number. 35. It ends in 5. So it is an odd number. 68. It ends in 8. So it is an even number. 73. It ends in 3. So it is an odd number. Next we are going to the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tells us the position of an object. It tells us the position of an object. We had learned the spelling for the ordinal numbers in the last videos. Next, cuties, we are going to give the position for the given objects on the board. First, you can see the ball. The ball is in the first place. Tree is in the second place. Ice cream is in the third place. Star is in the fourth place. House is in the fifth place. Flower is in the sixth place. Sun is in the seventh place. And chair is in the eighth place. Chocolate is in the ninth place. And last, kite is in the 10th place. Okay, children? Today's follow-up, cuties. Make sure that you have completed the chapter 1 till page number 22. Don't keep any incomplete work in your book. After completing that, you can do the chapter checkup, page number 23. That is a self-test for you. We have completed the chapter 1, cuties, successfully. Okay? Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye.